Let's make a floral centerpiece. Step one, I'm going to fill this container with moss. I've added some dark green moss, and then I'm going to top that off with some lighter green. That's going to give me a little bit of color variation in this filler. Next, I'm going to just create a grid with some Scotch tape across the top of this container. That will help hold these florals and branches that I'm going to use up and not let them hang on the edge of the container. Next, I'm going to put these branches in. I love these branches. I use them a lot. And then I'm going to add some florals. I'm using cherry blossoms and some long stemmed yellow florals, and I'm going to cut the bottoms of these off because they are quite long. And then I'm going to pop in some yellow, lightly colored yellow hydrangeas to the bottom of this container. Those are going to get cut a little bit shorter so that they fill in around the bottom of the floral arrangement. So you're going to cut your florals to the size that fits your arrangement. And next I'm going to add a few more Easter eggs. I already have some here on one of the branches, but I'm going to add some more. This is going to make this floral arrangement perfect for Easter, Easter centerpiece for your table, or it could be entryway table. And when Easter's over, you can easily take the Easter eggs off, and this arrangement has a lot more longevity. You don't have to put it away as soon as Easter's over. The eggs are easily removed, but the eggs really add a great Easter touch. Enjoy.